Today we will be demonstrating the difference between housewrap, felt paper, and the new ProLine Plank flashing from TAMLYN, designed to keep water from entering the cavity behind the plank. We have 1/8 inch gaps at the butt joints and will spray water from a distance of 12 to 16 inches away from the joints with approximately 15 pounds of pressure. To demonstrate how the ProLine Plank flashing works, we have engineered a sample flashing out of plexiglass with only 2 strips of membrane, not the 4 that are found on the ProLine Plank flash. We will begin spraying the water on the butt joint for the duration of the video, purposely allowing the water to make contact with the outside membrane. You will be amazed to see the flow of water as it enters the butt joint. Our first test is on a poly membrane, a product similar to visqueen. As you can see, because the membrane is not rigid, it cannot possibly prevent water intrusion in a wind-driven rain, and in fact, it's so soft it can actually create wrinkles that promote water intrusion. Next, we have common housewrap. Keep in mind, housewrap is a great product, but not when used as a butt joint flashing. Housewrap should not be considered the first line of protection against water penetration. We feel that fiber cement siding is an extraordinary product and should be the first line of defense. The 15-pound felt paper is tested next, with the same results. Folks, we're not trying to embarrass anyone. We're just ready to prove to the industry that it's time for a change and we can protect the building envelope from water intrusion and all of the damage that accompanies it. Finally, we have TAMLYN's new ProLine Plank flashing. 4 strips of membrane create 3 troughs which drain water from behind the plank. The flashing is rigid, thereby not allowing air or water to get between the back of the plank and the flashing. Folks, this butt joint is as dry as the Sahara Desert. Let's take a look at the plexiglass, how the water gushes into the cavity but is stopped cold by the membrane. Keep in mind, the plexiglass only has 2 membranes for demonstration purposes, and not the 4 as on the ProLine Plank flashing. It's time to change the industry, and you can join us now with the new ProLine Plank flashing and ProLine Trim flashing from TAMLYN.